looking for a quick yet simple recipe for breakfast or dinner, well, I have just the thing, this breakfast wrap, which is my go-to favorite. All you need to do is scramble some eggs. And for mine, I like to add mustard to my eggs. I also have a whole wheat wrap here that I am going to add some mayonnaise to. This is a personal preference. You can add as much or as little mayonnaise as you want, or you don't have to add any at all. But once you have your mayonnaise added to the wrap, you want to get your scrambled eggs. And once again, if you want to add mustard to them, go ahead and add it here. Or if you want to use mayonnaise, go ahead and add it here as well. Then I mix that into the eggs really well, just so that it is incorporated. Once that is all stirred up, I grab my veggie sausage here and chunk it up to add into the eggs. Now you can use regular pork sausage, but I prefer to use veggie sausages. So once you add that into your eggs, you will go ahead and stir it to combine the egg and sausage mixture together. It will take a moment to incorporate, but you really are just looking for a nice, smooth consistency. It may be a little dry, so you may have to add a little more of your favorite condiment. But this is a completely versatile recipe. You can add whatever you want. Make it your own. No matter what you add, it will be a delicious, healthy breakfast wrap. And now just pour all of the mixture into the center of the wrap and prepare to roll it up. So just to recap, you have your scrambled eggs, you add your favorite condiment, get your whole wheat wrap and add some mayonnaise. Cut up your favorite sausage patties. I'm using veggie patties. Then to your prepared scrambled egg mixture, go ahead and add in your crumbled sausage pieces. And to that, you want to stir it until it is incorporated really well. And finally, just pour the mixture into the center of your wrap. And at this point, you can season it if you would like to, salt, pepper. And once you have it just as you want it, go ahead and grab one corner and start wrapping. Make sure that you are wrapping it tightly so that everything stays in place. And you may have to use a fork or a knife to scoot the ingredients into the wrap so that they stay in place. But it's really quite simple, and it holds together very well as long as you smear your mayonnaise or mustard to the edge, making sure to keep all of that mixture pushed into the wrap as you're rolling. And there you have the perfect healthy breakfast wrap. It is quite tasty and is sure to satisfy any craving. So I hope that you will try this healthy breakfast wrap soon. Make it your own. It is completely versatile and delicious. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.